Embrace the power of forgiveness. Free your heart and soul. Dear, cherished soul, as the sun graces us with its warmth on this September 18th, 2023, I want to explore a profound theme that has the potential to transform your life: forgiveness. It is in forgiveness that we find the path to healing, inner peace, and the freedom to embrace life with an open heart and soul. Forgiveness is a deeply human act, one that requires courage, compassion, and the willingness to let go of the burdens of the past. It is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength, resilience, and capacity for growth. Consider forgiveness as a gift you give to yourself. Holding on to anger, resentment, or pain from past hurts is like carrying a heavy burden that weighs down your spirit. By forgiving, you release the weight and make room for joy, love, and serenity to fill your heart. Forgiving doesn't mean condoning hurtful actions or erasing the past. Instead, it's a conscious choice to cease the cycle of suffering. It's an act of reclaiming your power and deciding that your peace of mind is more important than holding on to grievances. One of the most profound aspects of forgiveness is its capacity to heal. It's like a soothing balm for wounds that may have festered for years. When you forgive, you allow the scars to fade and make space for new beginnings. Moreover, forgiveness is an act of self-love. By letting go of resentment and anger, you create a space within yourself for self-compassion to grow. You acknowledge that you deserve to be free from the shackles of the past, and you grant yourself the gift of inner peace. It's essential to remember that forgiveness is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. It may take time and reflection to fully release the pain, but each step you take toward forgiveness is a step toward emotional liberation. Forgiveness extends not only to others, but also to yourself. Sometimes we carry guilt and self-blame for our past mistakes. Today, grant yourself forgiveness for any shortcomings or errors. Recognize that you too are deserving of compassion and understanding. In the realm of relationships, forgiveness can mend bonds and foster reconciliation. It allows space for communication, understanding, and the possibility of rebuilding trust. If there are fractured relationships in your life, consider the power of forgiveness as a bridge to healing. As you embark on this September 18th, 2023, contemplate the areas in your life where forgiveness may be needed. Reflect on those who may have wronged you and consider extending the gift of forgiveness. Likewise, think about where you may need to forgive yourself. In closing, forgiveness is a profound act of self-liberation. It empowers you to break free from the chains of the past, to heal wounds, and to embrace life with an open heart and soul. In the words of Desmond Tutu, forgiveness says you are given another chance to make a new beginning. Today, choose to make a new beginning. Embrace the power of forgiveness and allow it to illuminate your path toward inner peace, healing, and a brighter tomorrow. With a heart full of forgiveness, the good seed